You can also do. Let's start the class with a 30-second meditation. It's a micro meditation. Take up your specs. Close your eyes. Fold your hands. Concentrate on Almighty God and express your thanks and gratitude for everything you've got in life. Take your parents' blessings by touching their feet mentally. Feel the tall positive energy entering your mind and becoming stronger. Whatever you discuss today, we shall remember forever. Rub your hands, touch your eyeballs, touch your cheeks and open your gentle smile. So that was a 30-second meditation. It helps to increase your concentration power, and you remember concentration matters most. So often I write CM square means concentration matters most. And I have asked you to concentrate on Almighty God. It's a superpower. And you have to admit that there is a superpower. Whatever religion you follow is a different thing, but what I am talking about this nature. Due to this superpower, the whole world is moving. Sun rises, sun sets, day, night, all this happens. And we have to get connected to that superpower. And then I asked to take blessings of one God and one goddesses. The most important God and goddesses in your life is your parents, your father and mother. So even if your parents are not with you right now, wherever they are, you just take blessings by touching their feet mentally. Just feel that you are touching their feet mentally, and you can take blessings of other, Gurujan also, other elderly person also. It's up to you. And when you study at home, then also 1 minute you can do these types of meditation, 1 minute, 2 minutes, and then you study. And then when suppose you are in the examination hall, and answer script is given to you, you have written your roll number, etc., but question paper is not yet given to you. At that time also, what you will do? You cannot read the book, you cannot see your mobile, you cannot talk to your friends. So at that time also, you can do just 10, 15, 20, 30 seconds these types of meditation. It will cool your brain, and you will remember whatever you have learned last few months, last any time in past. It will come back to your mind, and you can write very well. You shall not forget. So this is micro meditation, because you have to focus your mind to a particular thing. Just like I am giving you one example. See, the sun is the hottest thing, isn't it? Sun is very hot, but sun cannot burn you. We go to the sun, it doesn't burn anybody. But suppose you are taking a microscope, magnifying glass like this, and pass the sun ray, it will be burned, and paper will be burned, and anything you put this way, it will be burned. Because when the sun ray is focused to a particular object, it becomes, it becomes fire, it burns. Similarly, your mind is bigger than the earth, than the sun, than the moon, than the whole world, whole universe put together. Your mind is bigger than that. Sarga, Martha, Patal. More than that, your mind is bigger. Why I am saying that? Because in a fraction of a second, whatever you say, it comes to your mind. I told you about parents came to your mind. I told you about America will come to your mind. If I say aeroplane, it will come to your mind. If I say suppose the sun, it will come to your mind. If I say moon, it will come to your mind. If I say the whole world will come to your mind in a fraction of a second. So mind is that way very powerful and very bigger one. But if your mind is not focused, like I told you about passing sun ray this way to magnifying glass, it becomes powerful, it burns. So if you focus your mind to anything, then what will happen? Your mind power will increase, and you can focus. And regularly, suppose you are doing these things, then a time will come that anything, your mind will be disciplined. Whatever you study, it will be very soon, it will be coming back, it will be remaining in your hand. You can focus and learn in a very short term. Instead of learning 7 hours, you can learn in 1 hour, same thing. You can read in 7 hours, you can read 1 hour, you can understand everything. So that happens. So try to increase your mind power, concentration power. And the most important thing is concentration. Concentration matters most. Swami Vivekananda said that the most important thing in the world is concentration for every person. And the difference between men and men, one person to another, is the extent or degree of concentration. The difference is the degree of concentration. The person who can concentrate more, he becomes a better person. In your studies, in your games and sports, in music, everything, concentration matters most. And lastly, suppose after education you are working in a company or in any organization, then suppose you cannot concentrate, then you cannot do your work properly. The employer will not like it. But suppose you concentrate, whatever work is given to you, concentrate very and focus on that, then your employer will be liking you and will be getting promotion and will earning goodwill, good name. So this is all about concentration. It all comes from meditation. You do whatever meditation you like, no issue. But I taught you something which is micro meditation. I do in every class as a 30-second micro meditation, because the rest 1 hour of the class becomes very pleasant and positive minded, and you can remember, you can concentrate everything. So thank you very much. God bless you.